friends, this is Dimple Mehra Vishwakarma on my channel Angels Work India. A lot of you get Angels Work Dimple also on YouTube. So guys, today I'm here in front of you to give you the yearly forecast in English language based on the zodiac signs. So we will be considering the zodiac signs which are based on your birth date. So in case you're born in April, you would be Aries. In case you're born in May, you could be either a Taurus or a Gemini. You could check on Google what your star sign is, what your zodiac sign or the sun sign is based in English language, and you could then come back to me and my reading again in case you have any confusion. If not, then let's begin the tarot card reading for 2021 based on tarot and on your zodiac sign. So we shall start with Aries first. Aries, I'll check how your finance is going to be for 2021. So finance wise, this year you will have to do a lot of adjustments in case you're doing your own business or you are into parental business, or if you have any issues at your existing workplace. Also, if you're doing a job, then you need to adjust a lot. Finances have a lot of potentials to improve, but you will have to take a lot of initiatives this year to improve your finances. For those who have been jobless, they will have job opportunities in hand. Not only job opportunities, but they will be compelled to take up jobs also. There is a strong possibility the price at which you will get a job will be much lower in comparison to your friends and family. You may have a lot of hesitation, irritation, but I strongly suggest you pick up this job because it will not only improve your finances, but it will pave the way for your future success. Now, when I check on the business and career for Aries, so what I see is that for work, you will definitely get success, but that would be only after the month of June, not before that. There is a strong possibility that a girl is trying to enter your life. Do not get into any kind of office romance. In case you do so, you may have some kind of financial obstacles. If you are already indulged into office romance, try getting your attention more on the work. Otherwise it could become problematic. Checking on the family matters, what I see is if you get married in 2021, and I have been repetitively talking about this in my Hindi videos also, there will be a lot of stress, depression which will come to you. There is a strong possibility that the person that you may attract will be a very lazy, lethargic person. This person would want to only look glamorous, would not want to participate into household responsibilities, and this person will bring in a lot of stress and depression in your life. My strongest suggestion to you is do not get by the fancies of whatever astrologers are talking about. Kundlis could be deceptive. Get a card reading done for yourself before you say a yes or a no to a person. Now, checking on your health front. Health front, this year would be okay, but those people who have sexual organs related problem, or perhaps they have a problem conceiving a baby, they have very strong possibilities of having a faster pregnancy. But as I told you earlier also, that for those people who are getting married and they are Aries in 2021, you need to really look out for safer options, because a partner that you're attracting could be a real pain. So you would want to reconsider your pregnancy in case you're getting into that. When it comes to education wise, there is a possibility that you or the children of your house will be very badly stuck because of various reasons. However, you can expect positive results despite the children being stuck, especially if there are male members in your family who have appeared for competitive exams. Their results will be better than women this year. On the travel front, this year is going to be a little complicated. This year is of justice. In case you have any kind of court case which is pending, or perhaps someone has tried purposely putting you into an allegation litigation, then you will have to pay a lot of handsome money as you travel. If you're in NRI, and especially if you're coming down for your wedding, then you will have to pay a very heavy price for this marriage, not only for the functions, for also there is a strong possibility that this can create litigations, and the person that you're attracting would not be right person. For singles, I like to advise you that this year is not a great year for marriage. I would rather, strongly suggest you to save your money, look for options which are, better. You may get better options only after June. So this year, do not get into any kind of hasty decisions of getting married, or otherwise you will regret. Now, looking forward, let's look at Taurus. So Taurus people would typically be people who are born in the month of May. Let's see how their year is going to be. So the reading that I'm doing is for 2021. Financially, the year is going to be good. You may have, certain kind of obstacles in the beginning, but you guys are very smart, very intelligent in fighting your way out. If you have any partner who has an ill health, there is a strong possibility that their health will deteriorate a little further, which will help you to gain their confidence. And at the same time, in case you have any father or husband who has health related problems, they would start trusting in you with regards to money matters. You will be holding their property, or you will be getting lawfully some kind of money or property from them, which will help you to increase your own net worth. But I see that there will be certain problems with regards to their health, so that may concern you a bit, but because there are good property gains which are there on the cards, perhaps that gloominess will be shadowed by the happiness of the property achievement, or you may feel that you really got your worth due because of the service that you gave to this family. Now, when I consider your business and career, with regards to your business and career, I strongly see that a lot of wealth is coming your way. In case you want to start up something new, my strong suggestion to you is do not get into any kind of new business unless and until you get a tarot card reading done for yourself. For people who have been constantly wanting to invest into medical or pharma companies, or perhaps buy shares of medical and pharma companies, I would suggest that buy shares of companies which are more into paracetamol and not into heavy vaccines, because these shares may go up and it may increase your net worth also. Now let's check on the relationship front. For those people who have been having disappointments at home, who have been fighting litigations, who have challenges with regards to getting their rightful money, with regards to the willful property, or your family member left you without a will, these people will have a great year, which I had mentioned earlier also. And there is a possibility that after you gain this property, there will be people in your family who will have problems with you. Few people may stop talking to you, few people may become more manipulative towards you, few people may also file a case against you. So this year 2021 for Taurus is going to be a year where you do not have any kind of relief from a legal litigation. And if not, there will be a lot of confusion, there will be a lot of ruckus at home, which will actually disturb the peace of the house. But as I told you, that since you will be holding a lot of property in your name, you would care a damn about, and that's how you should actually act. All right, now let's go on the health factor. Health factor this year is great for you. You won't have any health problems. You will be able to control your diet. You will be able to control any kind of health problems you have. You will feel more relaxed. You will feel more in control. So this will be a great year for you. Now, when I check with regards to education wise, also I see very positive cards. So in case students have been wanting to achieve any particular goal, result, or get into a university, or whatever you could be your goal with education, you'll be able to achieve every damn thing that you want. When it comes to travel, as I had suggested earlier, that someone in your family is going to be ill, or you have a property gain, but at the cost of a relationship. So there is a possibility that you might be visiting people at hospital very often in 2021. While you might not be admitted, but 2021 could, if you're attached with this person, drain you emotionally, because you shall be visiting a hospital very often. And if there is any family member of yours in 2021 who's planning their pregnancy, there is a possibility you might also go for their routine checkups also. But most of your trips in 2021 are going to be related to dispensaries and hospitals. Going on for the singles, 2021 brings in a lot of funny things in their life. They are going to get into dating business more. They might have possibilities of multi-dating. They may have multiple partners. They seem to be spending a lot of money on how they look, how they behave in the society. They might pick up some kind of habits, or perhaps they may go on certain apps which promote dating, but they don't seem to be committing anyone. So in case you have your partner who's Taurus, be careful of them and see if these guys are really interested in you, because there is a possibility that maximum star signs that will cheat this year, one of them would be Taurus. All right, so going further from Taurus, let's see what Gemini is going to do. Gemini would be typically in the month of May and June. So let's see what Gemini is going to do this year in 2021. So talking about the finances, finances are going to be good in case you're into your own business or you're willing to take self initiatives. Then finances are definitely going to become good. You need to keep the finances and financial decisions and financial investment strategies in your hand. Do not rely on any fund manager. In case you have any fund manager who's old, please replace them with someone who's new, or perhaps replace them with someone who has more knowledge of multinational companies, and who can help you invest into stocks or bonds, which will give you faster results, because 2021 for you would be getting benefits in a faster manner. So do not get into your old traditional methods of savings. Now, when it comes to your business and career, this year is going to be wonderful for you. Whatever you wish, you will achieve that. You have higher potentials and you can even imagine. So 2021, do not sit back. This is a year for you to grab opportunities. When it comes to relationships are going to be very manipulative. Someone may try doing some kind of notorious activity to spoil your relationship. This year you have to be very careful of every damn thing. Any kind of confusion which you may have into relationship, just sit back, think about it, get a tarot card reading done, or otherwise you may get into problems, litigations. You may or your partner may demand alimony from you. So this year, 2021, while it's going to be successful and a win-win situation for you in every aspect, a lot of people with negative energies and jealousy would want to, pull you back. This year, it's very important that you should push back all these negative thoughts and you should emerge up as a winner. Now, checking on the health aspect, I see that if you've been planning pregnancy, you shall get results very soon. In case you have any health related problems, especially related to migraine or nervous disorder, you might have to spend some amount of money in getting your health rectified. Homeopathy could be your best option in 2021 to get your health fixed. For those who have been in constant awe of what is going to happen with their educational career, then I would strongly suggest you that this is a year wherein you are going to waste a lot of money. You might waste a lot of money in planning things with your friends. 2020, most of you all have been at home, so you all will spend a lot of money. Money will easily come to you, but you might do a misuse of it. My strongest suggestion to you is in 2021, even if you want to go to a foreign country, you will be able to do that, but the best results will come to you from India itself. And in case your homeland is some other country, then try getting admission closer to your house, because that is where your success is. Now, when I go forward for the travel aspect, it is very important this year that whenever you have stress, you either take a cab, or you go by any public transport, or you sit at home and just relax yourself, because you might be doing a lot of multitasking, and there are stronger possibilities of accidents to happen a lot with you in 2021. Though with God's grace, you will be saved. I don't see major mishaps happening, or you having major bruises or fractures, but I definitely see that a lot of harm to your vehicle may happen in 2021 in case you drive while you are stressed. So going forward towards singles. For singles, this is a year of fast marriage and fast pregnancy. For all those who've been wanting to get into marriage, your self-efforts of finding the partner will be very fruitful this year. Alright, so going forward, let's check what Cancerians are going to do in 2021. Cancerians would be typically June and July, so let's check. So when I'm checking about Cancerians, finances are going to be great for them. A lot of wealth will come, and especially if you're a woman, even if you're a housewife, a lot of money will come to you. You might get into a dialogue with your family members, or at your business or workplace, which can be a little nasty, but still there are chances that you will have great finance. Success comes to you in every format. Even when it comes to work, you will succeed in every damn thing that you do. With regards to your business and career, I see that you will have a stronger hold in your work and business. Even if there's a competition amongst people who have come for interview, but a Cancerian will supersede all the others. So 2021 on your business, career, and on your finances is going to be great. When it comes to relationship matters, this is a year wherein you have to do some kind of secret savings. You cannot open your cards, you cannot disclose every damn thing to your partner or to your family members, otherwise there would be a problem. See, it is so interesting. Even in tarot cards, we just pull out 3 cards to talk about your future. we don't reveal all the cards. So the same way, you have to keep your cards closed. Do not open every damn card. Do not be, someone who constantly, talks about their success, about their dreams, about their achievements, because in 2021 you may have people, it could be whether it's a sibling rivalry, or it could be someone who would take in advantage of the information that you're providing to them, and would want to either curse you, or if not curse you, they would do something which may not get in your favor. So 2021, be careful about the people you meet, greet, and what you talk. When it comes to the health matters, 2021 is excellent. Health matters would be absolutely in control. There won't be any stress. When it comes to 2021 studies, so a lot of people who had disappointments with their children, they will see that the children are doing fairly well. This could be with the support of a neighbor, or it would be someone already known to them. It could be a friend, or a person with whom you guys have not been in touch. So emotionally also, in the education sector, this year is going to be a great year, even with students who have not bonded with their fellow students in 2020, may find new friends from their same class, and that will be really beneficial for them. When it comes to travel wise, this is going to be a good year, but do not visit any place which has sex workers, or perhaps you get into wrong activities. Do not visit places where there are pubs and clubs where mixed kind of people come, because there is a possibility that some weird episode may happen into that place, which will get you also into trouble. So it is very important that you protect your energies. Do not indulge into a relationship or a one night stand with any person, otherwise you will have sexually transmitted diseases also as you travel outside the house. Now checking on the singles, I see a lot of confusion. I would suggest that this year, if you are going for an arranged marriage, do get to know that person well. Do not blindly go into that relationship, and in case your parents are pushing you forth for that, still it is very important to understand on an individual level that what this person is all about, because a lot of litigations and problems could come for Cancerians in 2021 if they go for arranged marriages. Now let's check what happens with Leo. So Leo would be typically July and August, and you could check on Google which birth date, sun sign you are, and then you can come back and check on the reading. So I would tell you now what will happen with the Leo finances. So Leo finances are going to be excellent. It's your year, Leos, and especially if you have young children at home, 2021 is going to be great year for you. In case there are any savings which are done on the name of a child, or whether it's a male or a female child, that savings will increase multi-fold. When it comes to business and career is also going to be good, especially people who are there in their own businesses. This year is going to be very beneficial. Even if you want to diversify on geographies. Do not diversify your business on the product offerings. I always laugh at people that everyone started selling masks in 2020. In 2021, you could diversify your business to an extent that it is in the line of your business philosophy, but do not diversify it further into something which it has not been. Otherwise you will have your major setbacks with regards to finances. 2021, for people who've been doing job, my strongest suggestion to you is try to adjust in your existing workplace. Like I had mentioned, for business people, likewise, you can look out for job roles in alternative departments if there are a lot of problems at your workplace. But I see success in the current organization only. When it comes to relationship wise, things are going to be good. Things which have been very complicated for you till 2020 when it came to your relationship, these things will change. Definitely I see success in 2021. There is a possibility that this year the family is going to run in a very patriarchal method. So if the man of the house was very docile, so 2021 the man of the house will become a very dominant figure. For some people who have been planning their retirement or are wanting to take a voluntary retirement service this year 2021, because of their presence at home, a lot of things in the house will change, improve for the good. 2021 with regards to health matters is also a great year. You could max spend on a little bit of medicines with doctors, or perhaps you could hire a gym trainer or a nutritionist, which will help in preventive health care, rather than like actually getting into the healthcare after the damage is done. So in a way it's a very good year on the health front as well. When it comes to education this year, students are not going to be focused, especially Leos are going to be having their own complexities this year. If you have taken admissions into new institutes, students will not be able to cope up with the study stress. This year a lot of money gets wasted on education, and there is a possibility the results are poor. When it comes to travel this year, new places would be traveled. You have a possibility of traveling with a grandfather or a fatherly figure. So this year travels are going to be good, but the person with whom you travel, and especially if he's an old man, you will face some kind of criticism with that person. Even if you try to give them your side of the story, they would not want to buy it. So this year for Leos, it's going to be travel, but a positive travel. When it comes to relationship matters are going to be great. A lot of proposals may come in. You may be confused with regards to whom to go forward for this year. You may cheat a lot also, but in the year end there is a strong possibility that you might go with your existing boyfriend, girlfriend, if you are loyal to them, or you might get into an arranged marriage, which would be like completely contradictory of what you have been displaying to people. So this was about Leos. Now let's check what will happen with Virgos in 2021. Finances are going to be good. You will receive a lot of wealth from your mother, wife, because of their efforts. Also this year 2021, the bad period for you is over, Virgos. So you might have wealth with your self efforts. Also this year wealth is going to come to you from hereditary or from will, from property matters which were like past spending. So this year 2021 is going to be excellent when it comes to wealth coming to you, because like magnet of money, wealth will come to you from all cores. Now when I check on the business and the career front this year, because of a past association, you may get good opportunities at your workplace. People who are emotional towards you will bring in opportunities. You will also get these opportunities in a wonderful manner. You may grab them. You may want to supersede people's expectations. There is a strong possibility that the money that you earn, it will be used for growing money. So you will be doing investments also, which is a great thing to do in 2021. Now when it comes to relationships may get a little complicated in case you spend a lot of time uh, flirting, then there will be a problem at home. Try to adjust at home. Do not get into any activity which is uh, So now here, let's check what's going to happen in 2021 with Virgos. So starting on the finances point, let's check what's going to happen with their finances. Finances are going to be superb, excellent, fantastic. This year, Virgos are going to make lots and lots and lots and lots of money. So money comes to them with with loads and loads of from lots and lots of avenues, for that matter. Sorry for my grammar there, of confusion, because I got super excited when I saw Virgos. So it comes through self efforts, it comes from family, it comes from the mother also, it comes from ancestral property, it comes because of the good luck of children, it comes also because of the emotions. So financially, yes, this is going to be the year for Virgos. This is going to be the most rocking period for them. When it comes to business and career, for all those who have been looking for jobs and who have been unemployed, job is there on the cards. For all those people who have been having difficulties in saving their jobs or their positions in certain organizations, or who have been having challenges in saving their money and their expenditures or more than their income. So this is the year 2021 for all Virgos. You will shine bright like a North Pole star. There won't be anyone in front of you to compete, and it's going to be like super duper lucky year for you, for Virgos, in 2021. Now let's check what's happening on the relationship front. Relationship front, if there is any kind of confusion, if there is any kind of conflict, do not run to any other person except for your partner. Otherwise you will create a mess out of your life. Try to improve your relationship with your family members. Try to improve the relationship with your wife, with your husband, amongst the people who are there in your family, who love you unconditionally. The more you try to go out and you seek family out of your friends, or perhaps you get into extramarital affairs or one night stands, the more miserable you will make your 2021. Yes, I repeat that, the more miserable you'll make your 2021. 2021, for you to succeed in life, you need to be loyal and honest in your family matters. Now when it comes to health, you will be spending money on the caretake of someone who is not going to be keeping well in 2021. There is also a possibility for people who have been looking forward for becoming parents in 2021. You might be spending that money on your wife or on your husband for their treatment, for parenting. In 2021, when it comes to education will be okay. It will start with a lot of conflict of interest. Students may not want to study till February. There will be a lot of confusion. You will feel that students are going to fail, and all that kind of rut will happen. But 2021 brings in good promises. Children will become taskmaster. They will not study more, but yet they'll be able to get sufficient grades or sufficient marks. So 2021, they'll be more quick in studies, or they'll study only what is required. When it comes to travel, 2021 travel is very much there on the cards. the places where you will travel, or the people you will meet when you travel, they will be the people who will come from a very economic backward strat of the society. There's also a possibility you may take public transport, wherein you could, travel with economically backward people. Apart from that, there is also a possibility that in 2021, if you're not alert about your belongings, then someone may rob your stuff also. Going forward, let's check what's going to happen with the singles. In 2021, it's a year of disappointment. Singles are not going to get the right kind of partner that they have been looking for. For people who have been constantly under stress of marriage, there is a possibility, whether you're a girl or a guy, you may have problems like blood pressure, diabetes, or you may also attract PCOD if you don't take care of yourself. Now, going on from Virgos, let's move on to Libra. So let's see how 2021 is going to be for the Librans. Checking on the finances. Finances are going to be okay. I say okay because there will be a lot of efforts which will be put by the Librans in 2021. Even if you want to do some kind of side business, and there is a possibility you will have success this year if you don't keep your words diplomatic, and if you are very shrewd, rude with people, you misbehave with people, or you speak any slang words, then there is a possibility you may lose your finances this year. You have to keep the women around you happy, explore all your potentials, and you will achieve all the financial success that you have been looking for. Now, when it comes to business and career, this year is the year when you can start any new business practice. I suggest that you take help of any tarot card reader or any person who can give you a right advice. 2021 would also mean that there will be a lot of stress related to family matters, and especially there will be a lot of money which will be spent on doctors. Now, the money which is being spent on doctors will be very perpetual. It will be continuous in 2021. So someone or the other in the family will keep falling ill, because of which you will have to take care of the domestic responsibilities in 2021. Now, looking forward for your personal health. So when I check your personal health will be still okay. There won't be much problems. Try to adjust with the family members. This year 2021 is going to be emotionally draining for you, because members in your family are not going to keep up with good health. When it comes to education wise, do not expect children to study. There will be too much of romance and attraction which will be there in school, college life, or post graduation life, because of which there will be less intent to study. Now, when I check the cards for the travel, you will have to travel very sensibly this year. If you travel with any person who is drunk, or any person who has problems of continuous drinking, or perhaps is a perpetual cheater, whether they cheat their partner or they cheat their partner at work also. So because of such person, you may get into trouble if you have a problem with regards to any kind of litigation which is going on in your family. Please do not travel when there is too much of stress. Otherwise, you will have a very bad major accident also. 2021 for singles is not a great year. 2021 they will get into relationships which will be absolutely for money. They will not get the right kind of a partner. 2021 is the year to just observe and then get into the right relationships when the divine timing comes. Do not get into any hasty conclusions about the person. The person who is trying to enter your life is a person who's showing you a different picture. So moving on from Libra, let's go on to Scorpio. Let's see what happens with Scorpio in 2021. taking on finances are going to be mediocre. The reason why I call it mediocre is because finances will start with a good note. Money will come through any kind of bank instrument, or it could be by mortgaging any property also. That is the reason why I call it a mediocre year, because you will be able to achieve whatever you want, but you will have to take the support of a third person. A lot of people have the habit of seeking loan. They are okay with that. So this is a year wherein you will be taking too many loans and too many burdens on your head. So think wisely before you plan your life in 2021, because you shall be taking a lot of loans. For those people who have been in organizations where the salary has not been hiked, or they have been constantly chasing for their bonuses, or have been asking for incentive, this year you may get your bonus, incentive, or even if your money was stuck with a certain client, or a vendor was defaulting in giving the product on a particular date. 2021 embarks that all those things will shift positively, and your stuff will move ahead. But the only crisis that I see in 2021 is the money which has been earned will be spent on someone's whims and fancies. So you could be making a property purchase, you could be making any kind of investments, and perhaps this will involve a male young member of the family. You may think that this is because of the good luck of that person. My strong suggestion to you is, on the family cards also, I see that someone is trying to trick you, someone's trying to take the money out of you, someone is trying to use the money which is your hard-earned money on their own family matters. And perhaps if you're a woman, there is a possibility, if your husband's doing that, then he is doing it for securing his future, his family, and his future with you. But the fact is this, that being a wife, you cannot make your parents or your family members future insecure because of your own happiness. Think about it. This is how 2021 looks like. So think sensibly. It's good to be practical, but it's not good to be fooled. All right, so moving on from here, let's check how your health is going to be. Health is going to be superb. I don't see any stress with health this year. If you take any resolution with regards to weight loss or whatever, you will be able to do it, because you'll work very hard for your health improvement as a part of preventive health care, and not because doctors will ask you to. In 2021, education wise is going to be a good year, no problems as such. With regards to travel also, a lot of money will be spent, as I told you earlier also, because of whims and fancies of certain man, or perhaps in order to compete with your friends, in order to show that yes, even you have a luxurious lifestyle to you, you will be spending a lot of money. Now when I check on the singles, with singles, I see that the way relationships have been earlier, and negative relationships in your family have been earlier, the same pattern is going to repeat. So in case in your family there's someone who struggled with finances, look at them. Their patterns are going to repeat in your life. I do not suggest 2021 as a year for Scorpions to get married. All right, moving on from here, let's go to Sagittarius. Let's see how 2021 is going to be faring with Sagittarians. Finances are going to be brilliant. I don't see any issues with finances. You are going to be a taskmaster. You will get money continuously from small activities. If in case you're not doing that, I would suggest you to start doing small activities side by side, so that your finances are secure. Keep the money in the hands of a smart woman of the house. Do not disclose your money and your savings to everyone. Then only your money will be safe and secure. When it comes to business and career, whatever you've been doing, continue to do that. That will fetch you a lot of success in life, and you really bless me for this particular reading. With regards to relationships, relationship wise also, constantly I'm getting cards wherein you have to secure your money. Do not spend your money on anyone, irrespective of whatsoever sobbing story they may tell you, because the money, once it leaves from your hand, it will never come back. So 2021, all Sagittarians, you all need to keep your money protected. When it comes to the health part of it, health will be nice, health will be superb. In case you can include any kind of meditation practice or pranayam or any kind of alom vilom in your practices, or you start chanting om, or anything which makes you calm and compose as a person, that will help you to remove any kind of obstacles that you may face with regards to health. But health overall seems to be nice. So in case you have blood pressure problem, just try to lower down your blood pressure, drink more water, sleep well, and do include some kind of chanting and prayers or spirituality in your practices to have the best health. Now, when it comes to education, this year education wise is not a great year. Do not invest into anyone's education. If you can, ask your wife to do it, ask anyone else to do it, because a person for whom you will invest your money in will actually not make the most of it and will waste your money. Hence, I don't see the expenditures on education will be correct. Now, when it comes to travel wise, things are going to be absolutely all right. You just need to be alert while traveling. While I don't see many major accidents or problems, but I see a lot of travel happening because of a older woman. If not an older woman, it could be your eldest daughter. With regards to singles, this is not the year for you to run away from relationships. This year embarks getting to love relationships. Maybe not the year for marriage. In case you are wanting to commit to a person, then surely think about it. Get an advice from a tarot card reader. But this year, do not run away from the responsibilities of relationships. Love is going to be on a next level in 2021 for you. Definitely this year is to get into a relationship, but how, you can call me up and check about how. Now let's check what's going to happen with Capricorns. So with Capricorns, with regards to finances, in case you have been struggling with finances, finances are going to improve. If you include any kind of prayers of any Devi or Mother Mary, or perhaps any kind of chanting of any Devi, your finances will definitely improve. It will be because of the good luck of a woman. It could be because of the advice of a woman. When it comes to business and career, this year a lot of money will come, but a lot of expense and income disbalance will be there. That imbalance will actually create a lot of stress onto your mind, but before the year ends, you will be able to get them in shape, get them back, which will help you to move ahead in life. Now when it comes to relationships, this year people will try to grab opportunities, will try to create fights with your partner. This year there will be a lot of stress because of the marriage or the relationship that you have had. This year it is very important that you stay with your loved ones despite of all the stress which is getting created, because it's not a good practice to leave your partner just because someone else wants to. Okay, now let's check what's gonna happen on the health front. So health front, this year you will be spending a lot of money because of someone being hospitalized or you being hospitalized. A lot of money will be spent this year on hospitalization and on doctors. With regards to education, not that great year. You will get mediocre marks. You will have no choice except for accepting it. lot of situations in the house will change. Your mother will come in control. She'll be able to dominate you. She'll be able to put you into the practices which could be perhaps right for you, but you may not like it. You may feel a lot stressed. When it comes to travel wise, this year is going to be good. You may travel again with the same people that you have been traveling with, and to the same destinations that you have been traveling in 2020. Even if there was a lockdown, unlock, and all those things happen, you will revisit the places that you visited in 2020 in 2021. So guys, this is how Capricorns look like in 2021. When it comes to relationship of singles, I don't see a good year for you to get married. Don't be into that hastiness of confirming to someone that they like you, you love them, or whatever, because otherwise it will create problems for you. They might not be the right ones for you. They may have their own health problems. I don't have any problem if you get married with someone who has health problems, but I don't see them disclosing those facts to you, which will create a lot of ruckus later on once you get married with them. So either check their body profile, check everything before you get into any commitment. Now when it comes to Aquarians, so let's see what's going to happen with Aquarians. Financially, a superb year, excellent year. You might be able to earn a lot of money, spend a lot of money on foreign countries, foreign country tours, or perhaps on international things. But overall, your finances seem to be improving. Now when it comes to business and career, there will be conflict of interest. People who are with you in your business partnership, they may have their own whims and fancies. Till February there will be a lot of clashes, but thereafter things will start improving gradually. And not only that, business will improve, things will become better. This year 2021, do not sit idle, do not look for opportunities just like that sitting at the convenience of home. Just go out and grab those opportunities, you will get them. Now when you consider on the relationship aspect, a lot of stress happens in 2021 for Aquarians. They will feel a lot stuck. Something new may happen, even a pregnancy can happen, but because of that you may feel very stuck at home, or perhaps a new relationship or some new activities. I can say that something new will get you stuck. Later on, based on your age, you can find out what is it that is new that is getting you stuck in 2021 on relationship aspects. Now looking forward, let's check with regards to your health wise, things are going to be good in 2021. Those who've been expecting pregnancy will get pregnant. A lot of support, emotional support comes from every aspect of life. You might be a little confused of what to do, what not to do, so that will predominantly confuse you the entire year. When it comes to the fact that we speak about education, avoid using slang words, avoid fighting with people at workplace, at your institute, otherwise problems may happen. You may have to change your institute. Maybe it's very cool to see the slangs used in OTT. Maybe children may use it, but in case you use it and you're an Aquarian, you can get into a deeper problem. When it comes to relationship aspects, will be okay. When it comes to travel point of view, you may be revisiting the places just like Capricorns did, and constantly there will be clashes because you may not want to visit those places. You will have conflict of interest with people whom you're visiting. So travel and relationship when combined together is creating a lot of problems, hesitations. You may not want to travel to those places, but you may be compelled to travel to those places. When it comes to singles, singles will run away from the responsibilities of getting married. They may not want to be married, and that will create a lot of funny things at home, a lot of problems at home, because that is going to create a point of frustration for both family as well as you, and a lot of drama happening at home. All right, now let's check what happens with Pisces. Financially, not a good year. In fact, it could be one of the worst years for you. In every place, every aspect, you'll be stuck. You might be taking a loan. I see a lot of cards of negative energies, dark energies, energies which are very manipulative. It could be also black magic, some kind of nazar or whatever, which can ruin your life, your career. My suggestion to you is 2021, please get a customized reading from me. I'll be able to guide you better on a customized reading what will happen with you. Now when it comes to work wise, also not a great year. There will be a lot of issues which will happen. You may have to seek support from family. You may also get some amount of money from them, or from friends you may get it, but it will be the cost of your reputation. They will belittle you when you go and ask for money. It is going to be very embarrassing for you in 2021. When it comes to relationships, your relationships will be still sorted. You will have to work very hard. Your partner will be supportive towards it, but because you'll be working very hard, you might miss on the fun of any relationship that you have in 2021. Now, when I check for Pisces on the health aspect, health is not going to be good. You will constantly feel cheated. Because of this cheated feeling, you will constantly keep falling ill. Not only that, you may have migraine attacks. You may have some kind of health problems for 3-4 days. Every now and then, you will keep complaining about cold, cough, or diarrhea, or any such problem, which will create a lot of immunity problems in your body. Your metabolic system may drop down, and constantly a lot of visits to dispensaries, going to doctors will predominantly dominate your 2021. When it comes to education for children, this year there's a possibility that parents may take a education loan, and they may get the children into a new environment, but nothing great happening with children. There is a possibility that children might start spending a lot of time out of the house. They may start getting into activities which they should not be getting, or perhaps it will be more like a party, or like how in Bollywood movies like Student of the Year schools and colleges are. So exactly like that, more of activities, no study actually. In 2021, I also see for Pisces that you might have to travel to places out of compulsion. It may not be there on your checklist. It may not be there in your agenda, but there will be people who will create circumstances wherein you will have no choice except for traveling. Now when I check for the singles in 2021, the Pisces seem to be getting proposals from outstation. They might get someone who is doing job. That person may be a religious, nice person. 2021, in case you are willing to get married or commit into a relationship, it will be a good year, but look out for a person who is not from the same city, or perhaps even if that person is from the same city, that person should be having a religious bent of mind. Then only that relationship will work out. So this was my prediction for 2021 based on zodiac signs and based on the birth dates of people. So guys, in Hindi language I have uploaded alphabet A to Y, the Rashik Fal, the Dainik Rashi Fal. Do show it to your friends and family. It is also, I've also uploaded the Varshik Fal of A to Y for 2021. In case you're a Hindi audience, please go and check out my video. Do subscribe to my channel. There are a lot of activities that we do on the channel which are for the free tarot card reading. So please like my channel, subscribe my channel, and keep connected with the Angels Work. Thank you so much. Have a great 2021.